I once again welcome you all to my channel CSNet Lectures. So in the last class we discussed regarding different stack problems, and now also we are going to discuss another one very important stack problem. Okay, so now we shall go into the problem discussion. Okay, see, I have written the question of the stack problem. So before solving it, you must have to understand what is being asked in the stack problem. Then after that we can go for problem solving. Okay, we shall proceed. If we have 6 stack operations, pushing and popping. Okay, so we are going to implement 6 stack operations. So in that 6 stack operations, we are going to do push as well as pop operations simultaneously. Then each of the elements are being pushed and popped. So the elements they have given as A, B and C. Okay, so this is the name of the elements that we are going to do with it. Okay, so A, B and C, keep that in mind. So for example, this is the rules for pushing the elements of the stack. So first we must have to push the element A. After pushing the element A, we must have to push the element B. Then after pushing the element B, we must have to push the element C. Okay, so first push this element, and second push this element, and at last you must have to push this element. So at any situation we should never change the order. Okay, right? So now for example, they are given, then ACB is a possible order for pop operations. Okay, suppose if I follow this order, pushing A after pushing B and after pushing C, suppose if I am going to implement one of the pop operation, that is I am going to pop the successive elements, it may be in any order. Okay, for example, I may get A, C and B. Okay, this is one of the possibility of popping the elements if I follow this order of pushing the element. Okay, so that is the elements can be pushed at any time, but this order should not be changed. In between we can push the elements, or after pushing one or two elements we can pop the element. Okay, so pop operations order may change, but the push or the insertion operation of the elements should be equal, should be constant. Okay, suppose if I'm going to use this order, I'm going to get the pop, that is the popped order as ACB. That is one of the order of pop operation I'm getting as ACB. That is being given in the question. That is, they have given one example of doing the pop and push operation. So see, if I pushed in this order, I may get ACB as the order of pop operation. Okay, as the following could be a sequence. Suppose if I use this sequence for inserting and popping the elements, I may get this as the answer. So like this, I must have to find the remaining pop order. Suppose this order is being maintained. See, for example, we can first solve this sequence which they have given in the question, and based on this we are going to implement some other sequence for finding this option. Okay, first we will complete the question discussion and then we will go for solving. Okay, so as the following could be a sequence. Suppose if we follow this sequence, we are getting this as the pop order. Which one of the following orders could not be the order of pop? That is, could not be the order of pop operation. So this we are going to find it now. Okay, which one of the following orders could not be the order of pop operations if we are to satisfy the needs given above? Needs is nothing but rules which they have given in the question. Okay, so rule is nothing but we should use the same push order. Same push order you should have to implement. Pop order may be any pop order. This is the condition. So first we will solve what is being given in the question. One example is being given. For example, see, please understand, this is the push order. A should come before B and B will be coming before inserting C. This is the order. So now we will implement C. This is the stack data structure. So first what they have given, I am going to push A. Now the pointer is pointing here. Now I can pop the elements, that is, this is my wish. Okay, pop order may be any, but the pushing order should be the same. Okay, first I have pushed this element. Now for example, I am popping. So popping means it is going to come out. Okay, so now this element will be getting erased. Now I am going to push this element. Okay, so B. So now you see I have pushed A. After that only I am pushing B. It has popped or it is being present in the stack, it is not a problem. But the push order has to be followed in solving all these things. So here if you see the push order, what they have given is, we have inserted A and pop order, let me write here. Pop order is being here. So pop, what I have done, I have popped the element. Okay, so next I am going to insert B, because after A what element has to be inserted? B. So now insert B. C I have inserted. Okay, so next what they are given, push C. So after pushing B only I am pushing C element. So C has been pushed. Now I can pop in any manner, isn't it? So pop order, what they have given, I am going to pop the first element because C is going to be the topmost element present in the stack. So remove first C, pop C, and last you are going to pop B, right? B is being popped. So now the element has been popped, and then we have used the same rule for inserting the element. So you see A, B, C, the order is not being changed, right? But pop, we are going to change the different ways of popping the elements by using the same way of push. Okay, so this only we are going to implement it now, right? So now we are going to start solving the problem. So now we are going to maintain this push order. So now we can check whether the first option is possible for us to get as a pop order. Okay, so now for example, I am pushing A. The element as A, I am pushing the value. So now can I pop this element? Yes, I can pop this element. So shall I write it here? So first I am going to pop the element A. So A has come out, right? So now I am going to insert another one element which should be B, because A has been pushed B. So next B I am inserting. Shall I pop B also? Yes, I can pop because I can follow any order. So I have popped B. Will it go out? Yeah, this has gone out. So now I am going to push C. So I am maintaining this order, right? So now C is going to be pushed inside. Now can I pop it? Yeah, yes, I can pop it. So now you pop. So C has come out. Okay, so this first option I am getting this order, right? Can you understand? So now this is clear. This order is being got. Now we will check for CBA. Okay, so already I have told that what I have said. If I am going to insert the elements in this order, while popping the elements in the stack, the output always will be the reverse of that of the stack insertion, isn't it? So now you see the push order is A, B, C. If I am going to pop this element, I will surely get the answer as C, B and A. So this is also the right pop order. Can you, is it clear for you? In the previous video I have given the problem of this type of a answer. If you have any doubt, you can go and watch it over there, right? Now you will check for the next one, BAC. What pop operation I should have to get? Pop order BAC. Now I am going to insert the element. See, I am not at all changing this order. So now what element I must have to insert first? A. So this is A. So first let me insert A. So now I am going to insert as A. Okay. So now after insertion, In order to get this pop order, I am trying the various possibilities. Okay, so now shall I insert B? After A after B I can insert. So now you insert B. By increment the top pointer, you insert B. Okay, so now you just watch the answer. What is the first two pop orders? B, A. Okay, suppose if I start to remove this, can I get the reverse of this output? Yes, I can get. So pop order will be here. First you pop B. Pop B. Okay. Next you pop A. Have I got? This both I have got. Now I want to insert C, and then if I pop, I am going to get this pop order. See, the last element is C. Now you insert C. Once again you pop this C, you are going to get the order. Okay, so like this I have got the third option also. So 3 are having the absolute pop order. Now we are going to check for CAB. Okay, so now we can maintain the same push order. I think so we cannot able to do this because this is a wrong pop order, I think. See, for example, I am going to insert, this is the order I should have to maintain, isn't it? For example, if I insert A, then I am going to insert B. Okay, and suppose if I pop also, if I am going to pop this element also, I will be getting as B, A. Okay, so both is going to get removed. Now if I push C, I will get as CAB. We cannot able to get this answer. Okay, you can just try it in various options. For example, if I insert A and then if I pop this, I will be, whatever the possibilities if I try also, I will be able to get only ACB or ABC, CBA or BAC. So this pop order I cannot able to get with any maximum probability if I am going to use in this stack operation without changing the rule of push order. So I think this option is going to be having the wrong pop order elements. So now this, according to this question, C, A and B is not following this pop order, right? Friends, so this is the way you must have to solve this type of questions. Okay, they may ask what is the non-pop order elements, or they may ask which is the correctly ordered pop elements by changing these options. So you must have to be clear cut in solving these types of different types of problems. So practice and practice and practice, friends. Okay, so in the next class what we are going to do is we are going to discuss the same stack problem with that of postfix expressions. So that we are going to discuss in the next class. And before that, I am going to tell you about the array concepts. That is not, I am not going to discuss very theoretically some of the important formulas that they may ask in net examination or whatever examination that we are going to prepare for. Okay, so in the next class we will meet with array formulas and important problems. Friends, are you clear with this concept? Thank you friends, and thank you for watching.